Hello dear students, today I will discuss about exponential function, logarithmic function. Exponential function, what do you mean by exponential? Exponent, there should be exponent. Suppose some quantity is there and exponent means power. Okay, so suppose we are taking a positive number a, suppose, and to the power x, or a to the power b, c to the power d. These are the power, these are the base. Okay, now here in short I will discuss about what is exponential function and how we define by that exponential value logarithmic. Okay, here suppose if whenever the base, suppose a to the power x, this is exponential function base a to the power x, this is the exponent. Okay, when we take in place of a, we get in place of a e exponential. You know from previous class that e lies between 2 and 3. E is a number, e lies between 2 and 3. So this is a series that is can be summarized and that lies between 2 and 3 e. So e to the power, when we take a equals e, then this is exponential function. Also this is exponential function. This is common exponential function because this is base, this is the exponent as a variable. So this is exponential function, common exponential. This is natural exponential function. Okay, natural. So now we are defining logarithmic. What is logarithmic? Logarithmic means if we write like this, a to the power capital X equals to x. सपोज ये बेस है और इसका कंपोनेंट कैपिटल एक्स है और इक्वल्स टू एक्स है, मींस ए टू द पावर एक्स इक्वल्स टू दिस. ओके, देन we define logarithmic of x, logarithmic of x to the base a means x, logarithmic of x to the base a is equals to this. Okay, if this then this. This is the definition of logarithmic function. Log of x, where x, what, a to the power x equals to a to the power capital X. This is a to the power capital X. So कैपिटल एक्स पावर को डिफाइन किया लॉग करके, किसका लॉग, x का, logarithm of x to the base a. So if a to the power x equals to x, then logarithmic of small x to the base a equals to this. This is the basic definition of logarithmic function. This is logarithmic function. This is power. Here this is called common logarithmic function. What? Log of x to the base a. This is common logarithmic function. If we take here what, e to the power x, then this is natural logarithmic. This is called natural logarithmic function. Generally only suppose log x written, that means बेस कुछ नहीं लिखा है, that means you suppose e लिखा हुआ है, natural logarithmic function. Okay, so our logarithmic function is what, like this. ये बेस पे है, similarly e बेस पे है. Now actually logarithmic, what is logarithmic, पावर होता है. So Here logarithmic function की जो property है that should be used for solving our questions in derivatives. That's why it is very urgent to know what are the formulas for logarithmic. Okay, suppose we are given first of all, first property, suppose log b to the base a means logarithmic of b to the base a, then we can write it as 1 upon log of a to the base b. Base changing, this is base changing. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing is that suppose log of c to the base d, then you can write this logarithmic as log of c upon log of d base कोई another number, suppose k. You can also write like this. We can prove it. First of all, base changing 1 upon करेंगे तो बेस क्या हो जाता है, बदल जाता है. ये b to the base a to the base b, 1 upon this. Second, suppose log c to the base d, then we can write log c upon log d और बेस कोई और ले लेंगे. So these are also useful for conversion. Okay, now first property, suppose logarithmic of base may be anything a b a e, common कुछ नहीं लिखना means e, common logarithmic you can write like this log a to the base पे कुछ भी लिखा है, सपोज बेस नहीं लिखते हैं दैट मीन्स ई लिखा हुआ है और कुछ कोई ना कोई बेस है. ओके, ई कुछ नहीं लिखा है दैट मीन्स वी आर सपोजिंग ई लिखा हुआ है. नाउ लॉग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शन, हियर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शन log a into b, log a into b, two numbers or two functions, log of a into b, this is equals to what? Log of a plus log of b. This is our formula, remember it. Okay, just like that. Log of ab equals to log a plus log b, मीन्स मल्टीपल में यहाँ रहता है तो log लेते हैं तो दोनों का प्लस हो जाता है. बेस जो भी यहाँ होगा वही बेस दोनों में आएगा. ओके, सेकेंड फॉर्मूला प्रोडक्ट का है ये. और थर्ड सेकेंड log a upon b, डिवीजन, हियर a upon b डिवीजन. इसमें क्या होना है, log ऑफ a माइनस साइन आना है और log ऑफ b होना है. क्लियर है? log ऑफ a by b इक्वल्स टू log a माइनस log b. हियर नीचे है तो माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ this is multiplication or into. And third is very important for finding derivatives. Here power rule means suppose third log of some quantity just like this in power form, log of a power b, log of a power b, log of this to the base any base, suppose कुछ नहीं लिखा मीन्स ही है. सो पावर सामने आ जाता है, b log of a मीन्स ये जो क्वांटिटी है इसका पावर अगर b है तो इस पावर को log के सामने आ जाता है b एंड log of a. और बेस जो भी है सपोज यहाँ e है तो ये भी e हो जाएगा, जो भी बेस होगा वही बेस रहेगा. ओके, दिस इज द पावर फॉर्मूला. And fourth formula is very important. Note down this. A equals to e to the power log of a to the base e. Okay. A equals to e to the power log a to the base e. This is important formula for positive value. ये should be positive. Okay, ये should be positive value because logarithmic function is generally defined for positive value. Okay, and exponential function e to the power x or a to the power x or a to the power b or c to the power d, any function you can see its value is positive, always positive होता है. लॉगरिथमिक ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन की जो वैल्यू होती है पॉजिटिव होती है, बट जो बेस है इसको पॉजिटिव लेके चलते हैं लॉगरिथमिक की डेफिनेशन में. क्लियर है? सो हियर दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी. यू कैन सी इट because log of a, because we define how a to the power x equals to b means what? B means this implies what? B equals to the log of b equals b to the base a equals to x. This is our definition. Here you can see e is the base, e to the power this equals to a. That means what? Log of a to the base e equals to log of a to the base e. Same quantity. So this is very very important property. By using this property, this type of question may be solved directly. Okay. So this is first property, second property, third, ये fourth, ये special formula है. Okay. This was the definition of logarithmic function or exponential function. You know, E means natural exponential function or log of x to the base e. जो बेस पे लेंगे e बेस पे लेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे इसको? नेचुरल लॉगरिथमिक. एंड जब बेस 10 पे लेते हैं, 10 पे भी बेस बना ये लॉगरिथमिक 10 पे बेस बनता है कॉमन लॉगरिथमिक. ओके, सो दिस वाज द फॉर्मूला फॉर logarithmic function. This is natural logarithmic, this is natural exponential function. Okay, so we use this formula for solving questions of exercise, also finding derivative, very very useful. And using logarithmic, derivative can be found easily because whenever function is given in terms of some powers of some function, just like cos x to the power log x, power, more and power, multiplication also there, power also there, and there are product function to the power. because पावर में रहता है तो पावर सामने लाने ब्रेक हो जाता है, किससे? इससे. प्रोडक्ट में प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन कैन बी ब्रेक आउट by using this. Division function can be break out by using this. So we can use logarithmic for finding derivatives of function involving powers, product, etc. Okay, and we know that the derivative of logarithmic x, log base e, log x to the base e. Derivative, what is derivative of this? From 11th class you know what? 1 by x. Okay, so also dy dx of e to the power x equals to what? E to the power x, you know from 11th class by using first principle method. So these are the simple. logarithmic function डेरिवेटिव ये होता है, इस logarithmic function का डेरिवेटिव ये होता है, एक्सपोनेंशियल का ये होता है. सिमिलरली e to the power x का what? e to the power x का डेरिवेटिव अगर फाइंड करना है, suppose here we are just testing for derivative, what will be the derivative of e to the power x. Here testing for using logarithmic. Suppose we are having function like a to the power x. So let derivative of this, let this is y equals to, then we can take logarithmic on both sides. Then what? Log y, taking logarithmic on both sides, log y, कोई बेस नहीं लिख रहा हूं मीन्स e. ओके, सो log y equals to log of a to the power x, implies log y equals to what? पावर में है x सामने आएगा, तो x log of a. Now differentiate with respect to x for finding derivative of y, that is e to the power x. So what? Logarithm derivative with respect to x, log y equals to, log y is constant, so log a into derivative of x. So here y is function of x, so using chain rule, what will be the derivative of this with respect to x? First of all, log का derivative 1 upon y, then y का derivative dy upon dx equals to, here dx by dx 1. This is log a constant. So here dy by dx equals to what? dy by dx equals to y, इधर जाना है, log a upon y, log a upon y. Clear? So this is implies, so e to the power x सामने आया, ये आया, log a आया, x आया, x with respect to derivative y के रेस्पेक्ट में है, so dy by dx 1 upon y, उनका y ऊपर जाएगा ना यहाँ पर, equals to y log of a, that is equals to what? y means e to the power x into constant log of a. So this is the derivative, that is इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, वही है y का डेरिवेटिव मींस e to the power x का डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, व्हाट? e to the power x, e to the power x e to the power x आता है, e to the power x into what? log a, कांस्टेंट का मल्टीपल हो जाता है, log a. ओके, log a, कोई बेस नहीं लिया है, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? बेस अगर नहीं लिया है तो e है, क्लियर है? एंड also one property is there also, log a to the base a, अगर log बेस और ये पावर अगर सेम रहे तो वैल्यू क्या होता है? 1, बिकॉज a to the power 1 equals to a, तो log a to the base a equals to 1, b to the power 1 equals to b, so log b to the base b equals to 1, so base सेम है तो वैल्यू 1 होता है. So here if we put a to the power x, a की जगह पे क्या लिखे? e, so what we see that e to the power x equals to e to the power x and log e, a के प्लस पे e, और बेस कुछ नहीं होता e, तो log e to the base e 1, so e to the power x, so derivative. So this is e to the power x का डेरिवेटिव, this is e to the power x का, और log x का 1 by x होता है. So this is our basic formula for using logarithmic differentiation. Okay, log लेके differentiate करना है next question में. So see carefully how we use logarithmic to find derivatives. Okay.
Differentiation. Suppose function y equal to fx, then increment in x is del x and increment corresponding increments in y del y. That is, we can write like this: fx plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. If we tending to x tending to del x tending to 0, then del y tending to 0. That is del y upon del x, delta y upon delta x implies a finite quantity. That is defined by as a dy by dx. It is denoted as also f dash x or y dash x. This is the derivative formula for differentiation or for function derivative of a function. That means this is dy by dx. That is what limiting value of delta y upon delta x. Okay, as delta is tending to 0. This is the definition of derivative. Okay. Generally, suppose given function is fx and at a point x equal to a, we have to find the derivative, that is f dash a, derivative of f at a is limit x tending to a, fx minus fa upon x minus. This is the another type of definition. Okay, this limit must exist. For existing of this limit, left hand limit and right hand limit left hand derivative and right hand derivative. At the point x equal to a must exist and both must be equal. Then we say that derivative exists. That is limit x tending to 0, this equal to right hand derivative, left hand derivative at a. The method is called this method. By using this method, solving this method, that is x tending to a, fx minus fa upon x minus a, or this left hand derivative, right hand derivative, both must be exist, or this is called first principle method for finding derivative. Also, you are known from 11th class. Okay. Now, suppose if dy by dx exist, derivative exist, and is it not equals to 0, then we can invert it. That is dx by dy equals to 1 by dy by dx. We can write like this. Okay. That is dy by dx into dx by dy equals to what? 1. So dy by dx equal to, we can write 1 upon dx by dy, or dx by dy equal to not 0, because 0 नहीं है तो हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Clear? Now, rules of differentiation, algebra of differentiation. Suppose two function u and v, we are adding or subtracting, then derivative term by term differentiation means you have to distribute this dy dx over u and v like this. Okay. Second, multiplication by a constant. If function is multiplied by some constant, then derivative in the time of derivative can be taken outside of derivative. So k du by dx. Well, okay. Now product rule, u and v, u dot v, that is derivative of product rule, first function then second ka derivative plus second function then first ka derivative. This is the product rule. Okay. And quotient rule, u by v not equal to 0, v should not be equals to 0. So u by v means what? Denominator square, v square, ऊपर first denominator, then differentiation of numerator minus numerator and differentiation of denominator, where v equal to not 0. This is the quotient rule. Okay. And also chain rule, y equals to fu and u is function of w and also w is function of h. Then what? How can we write derivative du by dx? Finally x के फॉर्म में du by dx. First of all, here three functions are there, so you have to write three derivatives. How? First y dy and dx, third में last denominator में लिखना है. Okay. Now in between value you can write from last w, so w dw, then u du dy by du dw by dx. This is the writing method. And f dash u, g dash w, h dash x. Find these derivatives separately and put the value here, then you can find dy by dx. This is the chain rule. Okay. Derivatives of a standard function. So always remember this, because these are the formula. Most of the formula you have already proved in the class 11th. So note down this formula. Okay. First, x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. Second, u to the power x, e to the power x. Derivative a to the power x, e to the power x into log of a. Ln means log a. Okay, एक positive. Log x derivative 1 by x. Log ln means base e and log x to the base a. Then 1 by x log e to the base a. This is the derivative formula. Sin x cos x minus sin x, tan x sec square x, sec x derivative sec x tan x, cos x derivative minus cos x cot x derivative minus cosec square x, constant derivative 0, sin inverse x derivative 1 upon root 1 minus x square, cos inverse minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Just remember it, this formula. Okay. X lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square, x belongs to R. Cot inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square, some minus sign, x belongs to R. Sec inverse 1 upon mod x root x square minus 1, mod x greater than 1. Cosec inverse is minus of 1 upon mod x root x square minus 1, mod x greater than 1. Here you see that same value but minus sign. Here minus sign, here minus sign, here minus sign. This is the standard derivative. Now, derivative by using trigonometric substitution. So, trigonometric substitution, the following transformation, trigonometric transformation are very useful for reducing some function. So note down this formula. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. Formulas, remember this. Sin 2x also 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. You can write, use this formula. Cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. These are the formula. Remember it. Okay. Tan x equals to what? 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. See here. Sin 2x and tan 2x. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square. Sin 2x, tan 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Now, tan 2x equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2. This is also very, very important transformation. Okay. Now, sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx, sin 4 cos 3x, 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x, also tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan qx upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Very, very important, tan pi by 4 plus x equals to what? 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. You can write it. Okay, tan a plus bk formula se. Similarly, tan pi by 4 minus x equals to what? 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Just invert with this. Tan pi by 4 plus x, tan pi by 4 minus x. Very, very important formula. Root over 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x. You can write like this. Mod of sin x, if plus then cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, minus then cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, mod of this, root of this equals to. Okay, we can write like this. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus minus y upon 1 minus plus x. Similarly, sin inverse x plus minus sin inverse y, like this formula. And cos inverse, so related formula is this. Question 4 of exercise 5.4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. Here exponential function, inverse function, trigonometric functions, that is composite function. So by chain rule, here we have to use direct differentiation of composite function. So let us try to solve. Given expression is sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. Let y equals to this. Differentiation of this, that means dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. Here sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. Composite function. So by chain rule, but we have to differentiate directly. Let this then, therefore differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx equals to, first of all, for direct method, first of all differentiate sin. This will be single quantity, that sin ka differentiation cos tan inverse e to the power minus x. Then differentiation tan inverse of e to the power minus x, this single quantity. This is okay. Now differentiation of these means first tan inverse. So differentiate tan inverse. Formula is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So x in place of x e to the power minus x. 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x square. And dy dx of again e to the power minus x. Okay. Now e to the power minus x differentiation minus e to the power minus x. Clear? Now collect this. Minus of e to the power minus x cos tan inverse e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. This is the derivative of this function with respect to x. Okay. So here we apply direct differentiation of composite function. Because for direct differentiation you have to start from beginning. Okay. That's why we are differentiate one by one and we get like this. Okay. Now take question 7. Here also differentiate with respect to x, root over e to the power root x, where x greater than 0. Now let us try to solution. Similar method. Given expression is this. Let y equals to this. Therefore differentiate it with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equals to first root function का differentiation. Okay. So root of t, differentiation of root of t, what? 1 upon 2 root t with respect to t. So here root of some e to the minus e to the power root x. So 1 upon 2 root of e to the power root x. And again we differentiate dy dx of inner part. Inner part means e to the power root x. Okay. Then again differentiate e to the power root x. E to the power root x means first of all e to the power root x. This is single quantity. Differentiation to the power root x, and again differentiation of 1 upon root x. Okay. Now differentiation of root x 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, this is the value. Now write like this: e to the power root x into e to the power root x, root over. So root over cancel, one value cancel and one value remaining. So root of e to the power root x upon 2 into 2 4 root x, 4 root x. This is the derivative. Question 7. Question 7. The function is this, derivative of this with respect to x, this is. Okay. Here we apply what? Differentiation of composite function directly. That's why we are starting from beginning part, root. First of all square root part, then e, then again is root of x. Okay. So this is the derivative of given function. Okay. So this was the question 7 of exercise 5.4. Question 9 of exercise 5.4. Differentiate with respect to x, cos x by log x is greater than 0. Log x, that's why x greater than 0. And this is division, rational function. So let us solve. Given expression is this. Let y equals to this. Then we have to differentiate with respect to x of y dy by dx. That is, therefore, differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. Here, division formula, numerator upon denominator. Denominator is square in the denominator, log x square, into here denominator into derivative of numerator, minus of numerator, differentiation of denominator, log x. Okay. So dy by dx equals to what? Log x into cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, cos x into log x, derivative of log x 1 by x. So this is the value. Now solve it. Both plus or minus sign, so minus common, taking LCM, x log x sin x, x sin x log x, plus here cos x upon x log x square. This is the derivative of question 9. Very simple, by division formula. Only division formula we use, then we can differentiate this. Logarithmic, differentiation of logarithmic function is 1 by x. That's why like this, taking LCM, and we get this. Okay. Question 9 of exercise 5.4. Question 10 of exercise 5.4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Here cos of log x plus e to the power x. Logarithmic function also, exponential function also. You know differentiation of this is 1 by x, this e to the power x. Now differentiate this composite function of trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential. So here also find the solution. Given expression is this. Let us suppose that this is equal to y. Then we have to differentiate with respect to x. Then we can get dy by dx. That's why. Therefore, dy by dx equals to differentiate. First of all, because of this is chain composite function. So first of all, directly applying chain rule. So first of all, differentiate cos x. This is single quantity, suppose. So cos means minus sign of this, and again differentiation of log x plus e to the power x. Log x plus e to the power x. Okay. Now proceed. Dy dx, distribute here. Now first dy dx log x, dy dx e to the power x. Okay. So dy dx log x means 1 by x. Dy dx e to the power x means e to the power x. Now taking LCM and solving, we can get like this. Okay.